Hi, my name is Earl Tactacan and this is my story at Inventive Media. I joined Inventive Media as a graphic artist there, confident with my skills in Photoshop, Illustrator, and a bit of Premiere for video editing. I thought I already knew a lot, but during my time here, I realized there's still so much to learn. Thanks to the free software trainings offered to interns, I picked up professional techniques that helped me improve how I design and edit. These trainings didn't just sharpen my skills, they changed the way I work. But what surprised me the most was discovering a new interest. Through their basic networking and web development techniques like HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap, I learned how to use my designs to build websites. I also learned about design constraints and best practices, which opened my eyes to what it really means to be a UI/UX designer. Inventive Media gave me more than just skills. It gave me a new direction. Mampasalamat ako ra sa Inventive Media, sa oportunidad ang inatorda at irakmi.